The seagull is an intriguing bird who offers kindness in communication and offers advice when changes or delays might require your attention. The situation speaks to your ability to think your way through any challenge that's presented to you. And because, like the seagull, emotions are not always engaged, it's important to remember to be compassionate. In your haste to solve a problem, you could speak more harshly than you intend to. Or information may be delivered to you, but perhaps not in the kindest of ways. The seagull represents a person who is excellent at assessing and solving intellectual problems in a flash. However, her desire to be of assistance and her pure analytical way of thinking means she might communicate rather harshly. In a logical, truthful and curious and rather undiplomatic way. And you may find this in your own life. She is resourceful in a way that may accidentally leaving out the pleasantries. She doesn't mean to be unkind, as you don't. In fact, if she realises she has hurt someone, she will be very hurt herself and very apologetic, and suggests that this may be your character. Just remember that she is brilliant and has great ideas, so heed the message and ignore the messenger. If you can see past her lack of communication skills, she will be of great help to you. Seagulls are clever birds who learn to remember and even pass on behaviours. As their name implies, they spend a lot of their time in the air over water. As water represents emotion and air intellect, they are seen as flying high above the currents of emotion and evaluating situations from a very thought out point of view.